Well guys, it's been a while since we've been to the mobile home. Right now, we're at home, but we're getting ready to go to our 1984 mobile home property. It's our investment property. And yes, we want to do a video talking more about our plans for that property. And for some reason, we just keep putting that off, but we'll explain that later. I know there's been tons of questions about the end goal, flipping, renting, etc. We'll talk about that later, but the property is neglected and we haven't been there in a couple weeks, it feels like. It's been since July 4th. That was the last time we were there. Today, we're loading up the mower. We're getting some pruners. We got some new pruners. We got these bad boys and we're gonna clear some
vines
and we'll see what happens. I gotta get the rest of the skirting off. I'm gonna show you what I plan to do with this mobile home. We just made it to the mobile home and it's pretty out of control here. The grass is a lot taller than I expected. We have a lot of cleanup to do today. And here's the biggest obstacle of the day. Right here by the electric meter. We have so much overgrowth on the end of the home. I don't think we've ever showed you guys this part, but you see down here the skirting isn't finished. I want to get that off. And I've only been prevented because this whole area is fully thick with bushes and vines and it's a mess. And I don't know if you guys can see it, but right up here, the vines are actually taking over the power lines to the home. Not quite the power lines yet, but right now they're on the phone. So that's the wires right there. I definitely want to clear this off because the longer you leave it, the worse it's going to get. I just want to take some of these out by the roots so they don't keep coming back.
Yeah.
It's this greenbrier tying everything together that makes it hard.
Yeah, I know.
Little by little, we'll get through it.
Vines. Aren't they crazy?
Mm-hmm. My teeth clank together.
That was abrupt.
Oh, sorry.
Careful. Good thing that was a grapevine. That would have sliced me open.
Oh. Hey Maverick. Hey Maverick. I found some grapes. They have seeds in them, but you can eat them if you want.
Yeah, they're wild grapes.
We're making a lot of progress, but it doesn't look like we've made any progress. I can't really do it there. I think I cut it, but there's a big one. And I just scratched my arm all up on the greenbrier. You can really start to see the difference here in what we're trying to accomplish. It's looking good. We're gonna keep going. We want a clear path around to the front yard. Now you guys can see it from the front yard. Look at what we're dealing with. This is all wild grape. And it's taken over. So we're gonna keep working and get this cleared out.
Now I can't even find it.
I guess we just start clipping.
Yep.
Can I cook some?
Maybe. Let me get this going then. You can do some over here when I'm done.
I can't even see the bottom. I don't know where to clip.
Here.
Let's put them to
Oh, you really know when you hit a greenbrier.
Yeah. These things are tough. That's been here a long time.
This is usually probably still good. Never mind. See anything you can clip? Just for fun, why don't you ride your mower through here right now? Just where we cleared to make it, let's see how it does on all this little vines.
Okay.
Maverick is working hard over here, clearing vines because he found something. Ready? we found a new bike. You call this new?
Yeah.
This is the Huffy Good Vibrations. And it honestly looks like a cool bike.
Yeah.
This is a...
Does it work?
No, really. Nothing works.
Ooh. Yeah.
Well, that's been nice.
Yeah. Wow. Cool.
I think we're gonna throw this in the bus. We'll take it home and I don't know what we'll do with it. It almost seems a shame to scrap it even though it's toasted. Everything is rusted solid. Pedals don't move. Chain feels like it's one solid piece of metal. The rims are rusted completely through their shot. This is stiff. The bearings are probably all rusted.
Mm-hmm.
I like it. This may end up being another unfinished project on our property, or some more gaudy lawn art, but we'll see. Finally, I was able to complete the skirting, though it's not done yet. There's skirting behind the front porch that I can't get to because the front porch is in the way, but we'll leave that for now. I don't feel like tearing off another deck just yet. Eventually, probably. I doubt that you're gonna see what I can see, but when I look down the joist, I can see it. It's like a big swoop. And of course, we have piers that are not really doing anything. Something's crawling up my neck. What?
Do not move. Look what was on you.
Is that what was crawling up my neck?
Yes.
A banana spider. Or
Also known as golden orb spider.
well guys, off camera, we decided to load up a load of steel. We got all of this off the property. Old roofing that's been piled up, chairs, wire fence. We're gonna bring this home and get rid of it. We dropped off that big load of scrap metal back at home for the scrappers to pick up and make a couple dollars off of. And now we're back because we have to get this yard mowed. It's pretty high. It's like waist high if I'm laying down. That's how deep it is. Hopefully we can tackle it with the little electric riding mower. I guess that's it. We can get working. Give me a little bit of pull. I don't know if that clip is strong enough for this, but okay, keep going. Great. Give it a little bit back up. Okay, give it. Go. Yep. Mission accomplished. Yard is mowed. It looks beautiful. The mower held out, got everything done,
Yep.
which is awesome. Nothing else to say. You guys saw it. We got a day worth of work done. I really feel like the mobile home is ready for leveling, and I'm still trying to decide how to handle that. I want to do it myself. I almost want to have somebody else do it for me because it's so unleveled that I don't even know where to begin. I know I could do it. I don't know where to begin with this. How do I even know where the high spot is and where to set it to?
I don't know.
So we'll figure that out. We're not in a big rush. We're just gonna get there when we get there, but that's really the next step of this project. And I know that we've been a bit sparse with videos lately, and we apologize for that. We don't have a schedule that we upload on, but we try to put them out as often as possible. And it's not that we're necessarily anything. We're not too busy. We're not necessarily overwhelmed. I don't really have a good excuse other than we just get in these little ruts sometimes where we just don't have anything to show and we don't really feel like doing it. And
Yeah.
it's just a mental thing, really, where we have nothing to share.
Yeah.
That's it. So it's hard to explain, but just don't worry about us. And we don't mean to be slacking here. We try to get work done, but sometimes it just doesn't feel right, or
Yeah.
I don't know. It's hard to explain. We'll talk about that more later. Let's not dwell on it. So, more progress made. Thanks for watching. And until next time, take care.
See ya.